There was a new update on Celia Airdrop. Now if you launch your app, you can see update app. So that's a new update on it. But before we update, let's see the announcement they dropped yesterday. So the reason why they want to update the app, so go to their Telegram channel. You can see Celia wallet is now live on Android. Buy, sell, swap, send and receive crypto on chain Play Store. So this is the Play Store link to update and the Apk link also. And this is what we have been waiting for. If you are Celia miner, this is what we have been waiting for, their wallet. So now what you need to do is to download their wallet. So if you tap on the link, or whether you go to Google Play Store direct, or if you go to the app, then you tap on updates. If you don't use the app, if you go to Google Play Store straight and you type Celia, it will be pop up like this. Then you tap on updates. So you can see it's 100%. So it's installing. So after the installation complete, then we tap on open. So we have community and we have wallet. So community and wallet. So let's start with the community. So let's tap on get started. So here you enter your email to log in. Then you proceed to tap next. So you proceed to slide this to log in, whether you're human or not. You can see it is a code will send to your email to enter here. So after you have been signed in, then it will ask you to allow all notifications. So guys, this is the dashboard of our Celia wallet. So you can see here is our Celia wallet. So here you can see the wallet here. You want to tap on it. We also create the wallet. So this is a step-by-step guide to show you how to go about it also. So if you come to the community here, so here you can tap to still mine your Celia. So tap on it. So you can see after the ads end, it has been started mining. So now we are mining the real token, which is the native token, which is the Celia. Now the point mining have been ended. Now we are mining Celia token, the real Celia. This is not the point to convert energy, because on their X account they made a post that from a few hours ago they will be all the point we have in our old app will convert to their Celia token. So you can see now it has been converted, because when we are on the old app, this is not my balance. So now we are mining the real Celia token. So it have been so now we it have been converted. So now you can see we have so many apps here to play and store and something here. So you can see if we come to here, you can see here is the airdrop always we do on the old app, the airdrop tags we do. And we come to the here is the leaderboard. Also when you come to here, you can see here is a circle hub. My network is not good. So you can see Messi, Ronaldo and all those things. So you can do something here also. It's a latest update out the Celia and something you can read that can make you happy. Well guys, let's go to create our wallet. We tap on wallet, then create new wallet. So here create a passcode. So I'll post this video and tap my passcode. So if you enter it, it will ask you to confirm it again. So if you want, you can add enable biometric. You can also skip by me. I will enable it. So here you can see tap to review your seed phrase. So after my 24 passphrase have been written down, here they asked me to verify your recovery phrase. So they asked me to verify it if it is me or it is not the owner of the account. So here it will ask you that what is the number 5, what is the number 6 and the number 3. So let me do it now. So after enter your seed phrase that require to verify it, then it will ask you to allow notifications. You can see here, boom, here is our dashboard of Celia wallet, guys. Wonderful. You can see this is the Celia wallet. This is the wallet. Always these people are showing the interface, they are showing the profile, they are showing the tokens, how to transfer from a month ago. Now the Celia wallet is now live, so everyone must be create their wallet for airdrop migration, token migration. So guys, this is how it is all about Celia. So if you're new and you haven't started, check the link in the description section or the comment section of this video and get started. You can start now. It doesn't mean if you're new you can start, because this project will be like Pi, because Pi, after the listing, they got their Pi wallet. They have still mining Pi network. So this is how this also will be, because if you come back here, if you look at here, you can see community is the app we are mining the Celia token. This is the wallet. So if you tap on the community, so you can see here is the place we are mining the Celia token. So you can see the Celia token is mining here. This is the Celia Ray token. Now we are not mining the points like the one we are mining on the old, we were mining on the old app. So now we are mining the real token. So now there's no conversion again. First you mine a point and convert to Celia token. No, now we are mining a Celia token straight. After that we do migration. So if you come to the wallet, if you come to the community, as we are in the community section here, if you tap on the setting icon here, you can see something here. Please, you must be turn on two-factor authenticator here. So you can see you need to have device that active is only one. You have two, it will be affect you. So this is all the following advice that your account has been logged in one before. You can review and remove any device to protect your account. So my current device is just one. So if you have multiple accounts, you can get banned, right? So after that, you can see email verified, and the mainnet verification also have been verified. So if you haven't verified, it will ask you to verify it here. You can see it will ask you to verify it here. So guys, that is all it's about. Thank you for watching this video. So this is your first time come across to my channel, do wait to subscribe to this channel and check the link in the description section or comment section of this video, and join our Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description section or comment section of this video to start, so that you also be part of the early adopters or be part of those who will take a journey in these projects. See you guys in my next video.